Hi everyone, this is how to make an embroidered sun patch on your jeans. All you're going to need is a pair of old jeans or jean shorts, some embroidery thread, a pencil to sketch out your design, a ruler, a pair of scissors and a needle. So here is the first pocket that I have done on this side. You can see I've already completed this one, so I'm going to be doing the same on the other side to look pretty much the same as the other one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my pencil to sketch out where I want to embroider. So I'm going to do a similar shape as the other one, just drawing out some sun rays and the sun. This is what it looks like, but you could do yours slightly different if you wanted to. Next, I'm just measuring out my embroidery thread, so I'm just marking it to be 40 centimeters for one sun ray. You can make it a little bit longer, and for the sun you might want to make it around 50 centimeters. Then I'm just tying a knot at the end to secure it when I pull it through with the needle. I'm just doing this twice to make sure it's fully secure. Next, you want to thread the needle to start your first sun ray, and I'm going to show you how to use the chain stitch for this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to insert your needle underneath the pocket, making sure you're only going through the pockets. You don't want to go all the way through the jeans. So you pull that all the way through, and then you want to go back inside the same hole that you just went through, again making sure you only go through the pockets. But be careful with this step because you only want to pull it part way through and leave a little loop like this. Next, you're going to insert the needle through the back of the pocket again, but this time you're going to do it a stitch lengths away from where you first inserted it. And you want to make sure you pull it through the loop because this is what's going to catch and make your first stitch. So you just want to pull it through gently like this. This is mainly going to be repeated in the next stitch. So you want to again insert it into the same hole that you just went through, pull it part way through, leaving a little loop, and again putting the needle through the back of the pocket a stitch lengths away, making sure you go through the loop. A stitch length is around 0.5 centimetre to 1 centimetre, depending on how you prefer your stitches to look. You can gauge this along the way. Then just pull that all the way through, and that will pretty much be the pattern you're repeating, following the guidelines that you set with your rough sketch. Feel free to rewind the tutorial for the chain stitch if you feel like you need to look at it again. And this just shows my process of embroidering down the rest of the line, and I will also show you how to weave in your ends and finish it off. It may seem like embroidering the sun will be slightly different because you're going around round edges instead of just a straight line like the sun rays, but it really is exactly the same process. You just have to follow around the guide that you set with your rough sketch. Now I've finished my first ray, the first thing I'm going to do before weaving the ends is I'm just going to insert the needle slightly past the stitch I just did and just pull it through, because that just secures it there, and that's what you want to do when you finish off every ray that you do and the sun. So next I'm just going to weave in the ends. What you want to do is you just want to put your needle through the embroidery thread on the back and just go through each stitch that you've done. You want to make sure you're only going through the embroidery thread, you don't want to be going through the jeans as well. And once you've done that, you can just do a knot. I'm going to do 2 just to be 100% certain, but it will be pretty much secure from then on. Lastly, I just snip off the leftover thread, and that's the first ray done, and this process will just be repeated for each one. As I've said, this is just me doing the next sun ray. Once you have done this, you can repeat the same process on the other sun rays and the sun, and that will be your final product. Here's a few clips of my embroidery along the way and what it looks like. that is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a lovely end result. I'm really happy with mine. I'm sure you are with yours. Make sure to subscribe to Lark Design Make on YouTube. We'll be having lots of upcoming videos throughout the summer. Make sure to follow Lark on Facebook and Instagram to see all the upcoming workshops we have. Bye!